Where did the Lo-Fi girl go? The Lo-Fi girl is missing.
Yeah, this happened last night.
He replaced the image on stream with an empty chair.
It kept on changing. So right now, I think. Oh, let me just go to the YouTube channel here. So where I was at, it was just an empty room.
Looks like she's there now. No, that's not the main page, is it? Oh, it is. No, is that a knockoff? What's going on here? What's going on here?
Okay, yeah. So
what the hell? Is there all types of storytelling going on in here now?
Oh, this is not the stream I watched. Oh, it was strange. Yeah, there was like
what?
Like an empty room.
Well, there's an April calendar with a date circled on there as well. So something was going to happen.
Maybe the audience can tune in because I checked maybe like an hour ago and it was just like an empty room. And it was like a long stream.
Are they having a relationship? Like people are saying Lo-Fi girl meets a boy named Alan. What is going on? Or Allison? I don't know anything. I know nothing. Lo-Fi boy is staying.
It's a mystery.
His name is Allison?
There's a countdown here.
Okay, I don't know anything. Don't listen to anything I said.
Okay, so hold on. Let's
She got evicted.
Let's go to the countdown. There's 5 seconds left, I guess.
Parents kicked her out. She went to get groceries. No, because there's somebody else here now. Lo-Fi boy has replaced Lo-Fi girl. But Lo-Fi girl is still in the...
Oh, he came in the door, I'm guessing? Oh, he came out of nowhere. So it's replaced with a guy.
But it's also a different room, is it not? Like I don't.
Yeah, this is a different room.
Okay. But they didn't change, and the title's a question mark, but they didn't change the image on the channel, like the channel banner image.
Right. Okay. Well, we solved it. It's a boy now. Oh, interesting.
Well, what happens if you go to the channel?
So
these are separate things. See, go to the other one right there. See, she's still there.
Oh, so like in the stream, there's this like green room.
There you go.
And at a certain point,
so that's Lo-Fi boy across the street.
Yeah.
So now you have two streams. You have Lo-Fi boy, Lo-Fi girl. Got it. Okay, that wasn't hard. What do you mean? That was easy to solve.
All right.
So he's across the street.
Well, this was recent. This was literally like.
So she's going to be the window over there on the other side.
Yeah.
All right.
That's probably her.
And
or her.
Yeah, somewhere over there, and yeah, they're across town. Who knows?
That's kind of cute, eh?
You like that?
Yeah, I don't mind it.
You're a big fan of that.
There was like this whole mystery in this whole article about it.
Well, she looked over at the window there, and then she left for a bit, and then she came. He left for a bit at the same time, and then they both came back. So they obviously met up. Come on, Will.
Yeah.
They met up. Look, she looked over there. They met up. The blue window.
There it is.
Yeah, dude. Come on, man. Lore. You need to know Lo-Fi lore.
Well, she's been studying for a while, so she needs a break.
God damn, I agree with that, man.
You know?
I agree with that.
It's been years.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.